In this video, we are going to discuss cloud computing and its advantages for businesses. Cloud computing stores, manages, and processes data and applications over the internet rather than on personal computers or servers. Using cloud computing, people can access online resources wherever they are and whenever they need to. With cloud computing, users are not bound to certain types of devices, networks, and certain locations. One of its best features is that if our personal devices crash or get stolen, the information hosted in the cloud is still safe and available. For example, for a seasonal business specializes in Halloween decoration, sales trends vary depending on the time of the year. The majority of the sales happen in September and October, and for the rest of the year, the sale is low. This company does not need to invest big in huge servers that remain idle for 10 months of the year. So the perfect solution for this company is cloud computing, which makes it easier to get access to servers on the cloud. The trend for small to medium-sized companies is moving towards cloud computing. This picture shows an example of cloud computing. Multi-tenancy in the cloud means that a single instance of a system serves multiple customers. Multi-tenancy helps lower operational costs associated with implementing large systems because costs are going to be distributed among many customers, as opposed to single tenancy in which each customer or tenant must purchase and maintain an individual system. Cloud Fabric is the software that makes possible the benefits of cloud computing, such as multi-tenancy. Cloud Fabric controllers manage resources, balance loads, run servers, and ensure that the entire system is working properly. This picture shows the advantages of cloud computing in business, like on-demand self-service, broad network access, multi-tenancy, rapid elasticity, and measured service. This picture shows three models of delivery with cloud computing. Infrastructure as service delivers hardware and networking capabilities like the use of servers and storage over the cloud using a pay-per-use revenue model. With infrastructure as a service, the customer rents hardware without having to spend a large amount of capital for servers. The service provider handles its maintenance, backup, and security with business continuity plans. Amazon's Elastic Compute Cloud, known as Amazon EC2, is one of the most popular infrastructure as a service by which customers can load and run their application on Amazon's computers. Software as a service delivers applications over the cloud using a pay-per-use revenue model. Before its introduction, companies spent a huge amount of money purchasing software to fulfill their business needs. Many of these applications were difficult to use and expensive to maintain. With software as a service, companies can automate functions using support provided by the service providers. It's a perfect fit for startups that are not going to spend too much on software packages. Platform as a service supports the deployment of the entire system, including hardware, software, networking, and applications. Platform as a service is a good model for businesses because it passes on the challenges of buying, managing, and maintaining web development software to the service provider. Using platform as a service, companies can focus on their business initiatives without worrying about their electronic platform. One of the most popular platform as a service model is Google's application engine which builds web applications for a company. There are four cloud computing environments: public, private, community, and hybrid. In a public cloud, customers do not need to manage hardware or software and they just pay for what they use. Amazon Web Services and Windows Azure are examples of public clouds. Private cloud, however, serves only one customer or organization and it can be located on or off the customer's premise. Private cloud is a good fit for governmental organizations which have high data security concerns. Private clouds are far more expensive than public clouds because costs are not shared among customers. Community clouds serve a specific community. It is private but spread over a variety of groups within an organization. It is currently being used mostly in financial and pharmaceutical companies. The fourth type of cloud is the hybrid cloud, which includes public and private and community clouds. In a hybrid environment, each cloud remains separate and is linked to others by technology. For example, a company might use a private cloud for sensitive data and a public cloud for sensitive applications and for not sensitive application and data.